Take care of your outside and inside. Be curious and feed your mind. You will learn more about yourself, and in no time, you will have no doubts. The concept of I can't will not exist. Get the inside right and the outside will fall into place. Just see how extraordinary things begin to happen in your life when you open up to it. Unleash your energy, all your potential. You are much more than you think, and you have the strength to change your world. We don't dream only when asleep, but we dream with more strength when awake. Being aware of what we want and what is possible. Dream, believe, get it. You heard someone talking and you said, wow, you have the passion in your veins. Everybody can perceive the energy of what you are passionate about. This creates an extraordinary synergy, where people believe in what you say, because what you say, you do. Patience is the ability to keep calm in the face of adversity, having a peaceful mind for decision making. Learn to use patience in your favor and make the best decision of your life by joining this amazing opportunity. Working as a team makes our individual stronger. Nature is wise, and this is why we should learn and duplicate this lesson from the wolves. Be part of a community of successful leaders and learn with us the value of working as a team. Are you taking enough care of yourself? It is necessary for you to train, to love yourself, and to celebrate your triumphs. Because when you take care of the fire within, you achieve everything you aim at and take that flame to the whole world. Imagine that your mind is a container filled with your thoughts. What do you fill it with? Fill it with dreams, plans, words of encouragement, knowledge, and positive thoughts. What is on your mind determines what will be in your life. Learn to unlock your potential, gain tools, and create a lifetime of success. Luck might not exist. Maybe, it just depends on you what future you're going to live. Build that life that you long for, fill yourself with dreams, and take action to reach each goal in your life. How many years have you wasted thinking I would like to be like that person? Make an urgent stop and start living the life that you have wanted so much. Have you heard that the one who goes fast enjoys little? Learn to live each moment as if it were the last one. Enjoy each step you take and be grateful for all the things that happen to you. The most important force you have is the one within. When you are balanced mentally and physically, you become an unstoppable person. Are you ready to discover new ways to be more powerful? You may be tired and feel like giving up, but remember that you are able to go on with your last drop of strength. Don't give up. There are always more doors to open. Go for your goal with passion, without resting, stopping, or losing faith. Be prudent, but go with all the desire to get it and to achieve whatever you want, no matter the cost. Welcome to this battlefield of yours. Put on your armor and aim at your objective. You have no other choice but to win and take the victory. The world is what we want it to be. Everyone can do their part. SuccessFactory enhances that spark in people, giving them the capability to illuminate paths, to achieve dreams, and to inspire others.